Усім привіт! Я рада вітати вас на курсі української мови. And today we will talk about the apostrophe in the Ukrainian. I think if you have started learning Ukrainian, you have seen the apostrophe already. And you are thinking, how am I supposed to read it, right? Because, for example, in English, you can use the apostrophe to show the contraction. For example, he's seen or she's read and so on. Or if you want to show the possessiveness, for example, this is my mom's friend. But in Ukrainian, no. You use it as the sign which shows you that you will read the word stronger, harder. The consonant is not soft, and you have to kind of separate two sounds, two syllables. I will show you how to do that, and we will be reading together, and you will see the difference between words with apostrophe and without the apostrophe. The main thing that you should know that it's kind of like a part of the alphabet, so it's already in the words and you just read them. If you see the apostrophe, you read them in this way, and you cannot just randomly put it somewhere in the text or in the word. It's already there and you should just remember that. All right? Okay, so I will not give you any rules about when we should use the apostrophe or not, as we native speakers learn at school, because it's a bit difficult and you don't need this information. I think you just see the word, you know how to read the word with the apostrophe, and you do that. You shouldn't remember any specific rules about that. I think it's kind of hard to remember all of them. After which letters we use the apostrophe, before which letters, you just see the word in the dictionary and you know that apostrophe is there, right? And you don't change that. You cannot just drop the apostrophe or put an extra one. You just read it in this way. For example, let's take the very simple word, which is five. So, how to say five in Ukrainian? П'ять. П'ять. If you don't know, I have a video about numbers. It may be the first video on this channel, so you can check it out. Okay, so п'ять. П'ять. You can hear that I read it, this p is strong, it's not soft, and I kind of separate this p from ять. П'ять. I have like a little pause between p and ya. П'ять. П'ять. And now imagine that we don't have this apostrophe here, then I would read it like п'ять, which is not correct. So you hear п'ять, it's more like softer, right? It's softer and it doesn't have this little pause between p and ya, which is very important. So you have to read it stronger with a little break. П'ять, п'ять, п'ять. You can like stop for a while and separate them. П'ять, 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 п'ять. Right? So this is how the apostrophe works. Another very, very common word, м'ясо. М'ясо.
Лише звичайне м'ясо.
Я м'ясо, я...
So, м'ясо. 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 I don't read it as м'ясо, right? It's not like м'я, м'я. No, it's different. It's м'я, м'ясо. 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 Repeat after me. М'ясо. П'ять. П'ять. М'ясо. М'ясо. Чудово. Добре. Another word. З'їсти. 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 It's the perfective form of the verb to eat. It means, for example, I have eaten something. Я з'їла тістечко. З'їсти. З'їсти. I even cannot show you how to read it without the apostrophe because it's impossible. З'їсти. No, I cannot. You hear that z is strong, it's not soft. Y is a bit like different. So if you don't know how to read yi, ya, you, ye, I also recommend you to watch my previous video first because it's very important and it will help you to practice and master this video, the apostrophe. We have one more number here. It's 9. So how to say 9 in Ukrainian? Дев'ять. 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 I cannot read it as дев'ять. It's not really correct if I say вять, if V is soft. No, it has the apostrophe, so I have to read V as a strong, solid letter. Дев'ять. 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 Let's take some words which came from the foreign languages. We have a lot of them in Ukrainian. For example, the interview, which sounds like interview. Interview. View. It's not view, no, it's view. Interview. 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 Okay, and one more very easy word, which is family in Ukrainian. Family, it's сім'я. 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 It's not сім'я, no, it's сім'я. Сім'я. Yeah, you're right, we also have the word родина. Родина. And actually, it's not the same thing. But in the dictionary we can see that they both are translated as family in Ukrainian. But we are interested in сім'я because it has the apostrophe. Сім'я. Сім'я. It's not сім'я. No, it's сім'я. Сім'я. Okay? So, I hope this video was useful for you. If you want to practice and read more words with me, I invite you to my Patreon, where I have a lot of videos about the alphabet, apostrophe, grammar, and so on. Okay, so have a nice day, гарного вам дня і до зустрічі! Бувайте!